shit. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is currently 2:16 and it is in the winter. Shit, y'all might be asking me, why am I outside? Man, I told y'all, I've been busy. I've been on the grind. I've been working. I've been telling you, bro. I've been working. Just been working. That's what I'm saying. And I got something for today, bro. You could probably already guessed it. You already read the title, but I got something brand new today. I just got me something nice. I've been telling you, I've been grinding. I've been telling you I'm gonna get this. I told you. I've been telling you I was gonna get me the Scatty. I told you I was gonna give me the Scatty, bro. Bro, we finna whip around, even though it's winter right now. I've been driving around for maybe a month right now in the winter. It's chill. I kind of understand how driving this bitch. There's some parts of the road that's clear, so we finna go around, whip it around, catch up with maybe a friend or two of mine, maybe make him the cameraman or something like that. But we just finna do a POV drive, kind of like vlog kind of thing with a Scatty. But let me show you the Scatty real quick. But yeah, there she is. That's the Scatty. I told you. But we're gonna go ahead, give y'all a cold start real quick. It might not be a full cold start because I did literally just drove over here and warm her up, but I'm not talking about it. Here's that cold start. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I told you we was gonna get that 392. I told you, bro. You don't understand, bro. Some of y'all, I don't think you understand. I want to jumping down like a little girl right now. I feel like I'm a kid at a candy shop right now. This is my first V8, but we whipping around in this cat, bro. It's about time. I told you I was gonna be working on this, and I finally got me the Scatty, bro, full on Scatty. So this is a pretty much stock completely. This entire thing is stock. The only thing it has is a pedal command, and it had one previous owner. That's literally all it had. It had one previous owner. I'm the second owner to that green title, only 50,000 miles. And hey, if any problems come up, it needs cams or lifters, that's just an excuse to get an aggressive cam. We finna rip around this bitch. So let's get that POV drive, shall we? I ain't gonna lie, I don't know how the hell I'm gonna do this. I don't know, but man, I got the peanut butter leather seats. I got that peanut butter Ontario. I got that peanut butter Ontario. But I don't know how I'm gonna do this POV because I got a Pro Mini and I have a DJI Osmo. I have a small little vlog camera or something like that. So I really don't know how I'm gonna do this POV drive, but we finna go. I got a semi that just pulled up, so we should probably get the fuck out. You know what I'm saying? See, and I don't know what people are talking about, complaining about always driving in the snow. Literally, I do not see an issue driving in the snow right now. I really do not see an issue driving in the snow. I'm just gonna say that. I really do not see an issue driving in the snow. Just don't be a fucking retard. That's all I gotta say is don't turn off your traction control because you want to slide around in the fucking snow. I'll tell you right now, I did that once just in the sport traction one. Oh hell no, bro. Oh hell no. All you got, I'm telling you, you gotta have all season tires in the back, at least in the back. I don't even have those right now. You see what I'm saying? Easy turn, easy. I don't know what I'm saying. Easy on that bitch. Might be able to do a little something right now. You know what I'm saying? Woo, shit. Yeah, see, she wants to slide. Yeah, she just wants to slide. Oh shit. That's literally all she wants to do is just slide right now. But even with the traction control on, yeah, she still will slide easily. So I'm just saying, literally, just be fucking careful. That's all you gotta do is just be careful. Man, I don't know why people don't understand. Just chill out. It's not that hard to chill out. It really isn't. I don't understand what everyone's people issue is. Might be a good spot here. Ooh, Mustang. Better not clip my shit. got a bridge coming up. Hold on. All right, we're up on the bridge. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't able to do much fucking sandbar. We'll find another bridge. Hold on. We'll get bridge. We'll find a tunnel. But I mean, like, she chills. Like, I mean, if you don't Florida, I mean, I only have, what, 99 miles? And I'm almost a quarter tank past half. And I only have 99 mile range. I mean, you can get good miles on it if you choose to. I mean, you kind of can. I mean, she drives nice though. Oh, I just love hearing the rumble of this engine, bro. I swear to God, like, the best idea was just getting a V8. I swear to God, like, what you mean money can't buy you happiness? Like, I'm literally happy right now. Like, I got a fucking V8. Like, I got a V8. Like, anytime I start this car up, it puts a smile on my face. I'm like, bro, I got me a V8, I swear. Shit. Oh yeah, she loves to fucking go. I'm tired about it. Just to having that little bit of sliding and just your tire spinning, oh, the feel of power, just. Fucking love this thing, bro. Bro, I literally can't do shit. I can't do shit. These three people won't get out my fucking way. Bro. Why y'all all going the same speed? Like, let me be a retard. Let me commit crimes. Like, damn. We got another bridge. Sir. Yes, sir. Bro, just the most fun ever. And there ain't no way we got another blockade. You know, I'm finna cut up in this bitch if they fucking. Alright, I'm gonna let you know if we're gonna meet up with AJ or not. Yeah, we'll see if we'll meet up with AJ. Alright, bet. Yeah, this is the furthest the bitch going up this hill. I know this is the furthest that this shit gonna be going up. I'm telling you, bro.
You need some momentum when you come up.
But yeah, this is my boy AJ. This is my first boy on camera. We're gonna start doing vlogs with him and his brother. But yeah, this bitch ain't coming up. That's first I got this far already, bro, down this hill, bro. I'm surprised this bitch ain't not going first.
I stepped up the door, I saw them tires. They're just
bro.
First thing I see out of everything.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro. I got a pen in my car and everything too, bro. So we can get lit. Yeah, sir. But I'm surprised how this bitch got up the hill at least that fucking far. Like, that bitch. That bitch barely made it. That bitch barely made it. But yeah, we gotta find places to take the bitch real quick. I don't know where to go right now besides I just driving around. Everyone's been on the road going slow as hell right next to each other. Like, that shit been pissing me off all day. It's just everyone just been going right next to each other, not letting me do anything stupid. Like, let me do some stupid stuff. Like, come on. Like, I swear to God, everyone be in my way and I can't do anything. I can't do anything, bro. They just in my way. I'm like, bro, seriously. But yeah, I mean, she's still running. But yeah, I gotta feel though. We got about 100 miles to do something, whatever, you know. So I gotta dump another $45 in the tank. Bro, $4 a gallon, bro. $4. I need an E85 tune. The second I can, I need E85 tune, bro. But yeah, we let's get into this. Let's do some stupid shit.
I thought the roads were like dirty. They're clean actually. It just snowed too.
Yeah, it just snowed early today. There was like quite a bit of snow on top of my car.
Yeah. I know.
I just hope the cops ain't out right now.
They cold ass. They ain't gonna be out.
I haven't seen them so far. Just gotta keep praying. Huh?
Just don't hit downtown. I've been seeing them on the north side lately, so I be hearing shootouts. Like, what the fuck? In this neighborhood, it's white as shit. Every neighbor I have, they're white. I like dead ass. I walked down to Morris. That's all you would see. I'm like, bro.
Tired of people's bullshit.
Shit. The hood's right here, bro.
They wanted to join the crash out scene. They're like, fuck out of it.
Man, they ain't got no choice to. Because they go far south. Oh, this is always the street. Oh, yeah, we going now. Oh, yeah, that's crazy. That is crazy.
Damn, why is the Pontiac's wheel so fucking caved in?
Oh, that bitch had ka-chow from the back.
You see the wheel from the back, bro?
I didn't see it until you said it. Damn.
Oh my God.
I don't know how to fix that.
Camber. That boy wanted max camber. That boy wanted max camber.
Oh, I felt that bitch slide. Okay, so that. Oh yeah. Oh.
That Pontiac behind me is trying to fucking catch up.
It just fucking goes. How the fuck is the Pontiac still here? What the fuck? Hold on.
That Pontiac
Gee,
that Pontiac is trying to go with me.
Bro, hold on.
My Pontiac. That boy was he was at least going 55.
Man.
I was going 60.
We were just tapping. You weren't flooring, you're tapping that bitch. Whoop! 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 That's the sound of the bullies. Whoop! Whoop! That's the sound of the bullies. I can't even say it right.
Why is everyone out on a Monday at 3 o'clock? Like, what the hell?
Rush hour. Kids is getting out of school. People getting off work.
Fucking kids.
So you just gonna stop?
Bro, what is you doing?
You better give us space. Oh, he crashed. Don't tell me he crashed into. How you crash into the building? You know what? There is snow, but that's a truck. Okay. Unless you gotta be doing something real stupid.
Well, there goes that Pontiac, bro.
No. Yo, he pushing that bitch.
That Pontiac just wants to go, bro. What the hell?
He just saw the cops and said, "Fuck it." WRX.
Oh my God, that was one of the guys that used to make fun of me.
Oh wow.
Look at him. He's in a shitty Pontiac.
You dead ass?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
When he is with this girl, I should roll down and be like, remember when you used to bully me?
Ah.
Man, look what you're driving now.
Fucking Pontiac. Tomato. Oh, you're the fucking turbo, bro.
Every time it turns, let me get behind him.
Oh no, he's just. Oh, fucking love that. Where it just goes, it goes. Oh, that bitch is insane.
Heard that. We're like, ooh.
Don't worry, we'll get except for all the bumpiness.
Hey, welcome to Michigan.
Oh, welcome to Michigan. You'd never. Little. Just gotta be on child lock right there.
That bitch spinning, bro.
You do.
Dude, it's just spinning every time I touch that gas.
It feels like that when it's spinning.
Imagine when this bitch is dry.
Man.
Because I've only had this car so far when it's been wet and snow.
Just
not experienced dry land so far.
Just wait. We're gonna have a dry day. We're gonna have a dry day, bro. It's gonna be nothing but straight.
Swear to God.
Remember, guys, this is for educational purposes only, okay? Do not try this at home.
This is filmed in Mexico.
He said Mexico. I forgot it.
This was filmed in Mexico. Yeah.
So this is filmed in Mexico.
I mean, that's the best thing you can say. I mean, like, well, yeah, filmed in Mexico. You can't prove me wrong.
You're gonna have to do some editing, you know, because we just set the location. Oh, nah, that ain't the location. We lied.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
What?
I don't even know what you're talking about.
What location?
What?
I thought we were in Mexico.
Oh.
You know, the cold front has gotten all the way down there, you know?
Yeah. It's crazy how Mexico is experiencing all this snow.
Right. I can very well much say it reaches 100 miles an hour faster than the V6. Much faster. Truck, they go slow, right? And then as soon as somebody fast past them, they want to speed up all of a sudden. We were just behind you. Take this route. I used to cut from all the way on the right into this. From coming out of work.
Holy crap, that way advantage is awesome, bro. I just took that curve at like 80.
Holy shit. Bacon. Right up on our ass.
Man, we got some good
like mid-muffler leak so bad.
Shove it right in their face.
Mid-muffler leak? Oh, yeah. That was fun. Well, that's the cop behind us.
As well as it, right up on our ass. I thought his ass was still right behind us. I look back, nobody. We're free. Shit.
Pretty much, yeah, that's a little bit, that's what we're going to be doing much for today, but yeah, camera died midway, halfway through. There's so much, a little bit of time recording, the camera died, we didn't even realize it was low health, but it's about 8:52 now. We did a little driving around, chilled, smoked with the homies for a little bit, but that's pretty much for today. We are going to find a place to slide this, but right now everywhere is just covered in snow and we're not going to be able to properly slide and we're just going to get stuck, and we just gotta wait for the weather to clear up. Once the weather clears up, we're gonna be having a lot more content. But I just wanted to be showing y'all. I just wanted to get a video out at least for this cat at least once. I just wanted to get something out. But you know, I love this car. I wanted to show you a little bit of fun I've been having with it. But I love y'all, and I'll see y'all later next time. We'll wait until the weather clears up. Clears up. You know what I'm saying. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.